Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Dust Cleaning Jelly is probably one of the most versatile and surprisingly effective cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, capable of reaching into the nooks and crannies of your electronics, car interiors, and even keyboards where traditional cloths and sprays simply can't go, making it an indispensable gadget for anyone who values a pristine living and working environment. Number 5. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Introducing the ultimate cleaning solution for your car. This innovative gel is designed to reach every nook and cranny, making car detailing a breeze. Using it is as simple as pressing it into cracks and pulling away the dust. Watch as it effortlessly lifts away dirt and grime from all surfaces. Crafted from natural materials with a pleasant scent, this cleaning compound is safe for your car's interior. It effectively picks up dust without leaving any residue. This cleaning gel can be used multiple times until it turns black. Simply store it properly after each use for continued effectiveness. Beyond your car, this versatile cleaner is perfect for your home and office. Use it to clean keyboards, electronics, and furniture with ease. Looking for a unique gift? This cleaning tool makes an ideal present for men and women, perfect for Christmas or any occasion. What we like? This cleaning gel is perfect for getting into all those tight spots in your car. If you're looking for a simple way to deep clean your car's interior, this is a great option. It even has a pleasant lavender scent, making the cleaning process more enjoyable. What people say? It did a great job lifting fine particles, dust, fingerprints. It removed things without leaving a sticky residue behind. It worked great. It's just those cracks in between and I can't reach above me. It was able to reach places I could not go with a rag. It's not sticky and doesn't stick to your hands. It worked well at removing the dust in the vents and some corners you could not get a rag into. It's very gentle and easy to use. It does really get the dust off. It also is really cool for his keyboard at home. Number 4. DERMORA Golden Glow Under Eye Patches. Discover the secret to a brighter, more refreshed look. Our golden glow under eye patches are here to transform your skincare routine. Tired eyes? These patches offer a rejuvenating treatment to combat signs of fatigue. Experience a revitalizing boost for your delicate under eye area. Say goodbye to dark circles and puffiness. Our formula works to visibly reduce these concerns, leaving your eyes looking smoother and more awake. Combat the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. These patches help to smooth and firm the skin, restoring a youthful appearance. Keep your eyes looking their best, no matter where you go. They are the perfect travel companion for a quick refresh on the go. Feel the instant refreshment and revitalization. Each application delivers a soothing and energizing experience for your eyes. Enjoy 15 pairs of our effective eye gels. That's plenty of treatments to help you achieve and maintain radiant, youthful-looking eyes. What we like? If you suffer from tired, puffy eyes or dark circles, these under-eye patches are a game changer. They offer a quick and effective rejuvenating treatment. For anyone looking for a spa-like experience at home or a refreshing boost during travel, these are a must-have. What people say? Individual wrapped soap product does not dry out. Adheres to skin very well. Cooling effect helps the puffiness. Very effective for a quick fix. These eye masks will help reduce puffiness, swelling under the eyes, and somewhat improve the appearance of dark circles. My skin looks glowy after using them and does help reduce the puffiness. Packaging is pretty, easy to open box, and each pack is a simply tear off top, and the case slide high out. Number 3. ColorCoral Car Cleaning Gel 160G. Tired of dust and debris in your car? Introducing a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to make your vehicle spotless with minimal effort. This versatile gel is perfect for all car interiors. It reaches every nook and cranny, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Its unique formula lifts dirt, dust, and crumbs from vents, dashboards, and seats. Watch as it effortlessly captures grime, leaving surfaces pristine. Achieve professional detailing results at home. This cleaning putty is your secret weapon for a showroom-worthy car interior. Looking for a practical gift? It's an ideal stocking stuffer for anyone who loves a clean car, perfect for adults and kids alike. Simply press it onto the surface and lift away the dirt. It's incredibly easy to use and comes in a convenient 160G size for storage. What we like. This cleaning gel offers a versatile solution for various cleaning needs. If you need to clean both your car's interior and your electronic devices like keyboards, this product is a convenient choice. Its portable size makes it easy to keep handy for quick cleanups anywhere. What people say. Perfect for getting dirt out of small spaces. It really does stick to the dust without leaving any residue behind. This is a perfect quick detailing tool and you don't have to fuss over wipes or sprays. It's easy to remove from the container and put back when you're done. No residue left behind, just a clean surface. Number 2. Sauberkugel the Clean Ball, Pink. Introducing the Sauberkugel, the Clean Ball. It's the clever way to keep your purses, bags, and backpacks free from dirt and dust. Simply toss it into your bag and let it work its magic. This sticky ball effortlessly grabs all the dirt, dust, and crumbs that gather at the bottom. Keeping it clean is easy. Just pop it apart, rinse it under water, reassemble, and toss it back into your bag for continuous cleaning. Looking for a great gift? This is perfect for anyone who owns a bag. It's an ideal stocking stuffer or an everyday present for purses, handbags, and backpacks. You've seen it on GMA and TikTok. It's the must-have accessory to add to your purse collection. Experience German engineering at its finest. This product is designed and made in Germany using 100% recyclable materials. What we like. This clever cleaning ball is designed specifically for keeping your bags and purses free of debris. If you're tired of finding crumbs and dust at the bottom of your handbag or backpack, this is the perfect solution. Its German engineering ensures quality and durability, and it's easily washable for repeated use. What people say. It takes out all the gunk from the bag and is easy to clean as well. Fun and neat way to clean the debris out of the bottom of bags and purses. Better than turning it upside down over the trash bin and less hectic on the material of your bags and purses. They pick up so much and are really easy to wash off. Number 1. FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gels 4-pack. Tired of dust and debris in hard-to-reach places? Our cleaning gels are designed to effortlessly capture dirt from every corner of your car and electronic devices. They are the perfect solution for a spotless finish. Using our cleaning compound is incredibly easy. Simply press it onto the dirty surface, lift, and watch the grime disappear. It's a time-saving tool that gets the job done efficiently. Our cleaning gels are made from safe, eco-friendly, and biodegradable material. They are gentle on your skin and won't leave sticky residue on your devices. Please remember, they are not edible. Available in 4 vibrant colors, these cleaning supplies effectively remove 99.99% of harmful particles and dust. They leave surfaces cleaner without any mess. These cleaning compounds can be reused until they become non-transparent. Each pack is individually sealed for convenient storage, keeping them fresh and ready for your next cleaning session. Looking for a practical gift? These cleaning gels are an excellent car accessory and a thoughtful stocking stuffer. They are ideal for anyone who appreciates a clean car and tidy space. What we like. This 4-pack of cleaning gels comes in multiple vibrant colors, adding a bit of fun to cleaning. If you want a highly efficient way to remove 99.99% of harmful particles from your car or electronics, these are an excellent choice. Their eco-friendly and biodegradable formula makes them a safe option for your home and devices. What people say. They really do a great job and are fun to use. Deep cleaning is fast and easy. These are perfect for getting crumbs out of the small area in my vehicle. It doesn't pick up everything, but it does a good job with my car's dash and hard-to-reach crevasses, which is what I got it for. Also used it to clean the grooves in the bathroom vent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.